do. And no na yes build up capacity, build up stamina. Na ye mama and sanso who say our men have gone through training. You know, training is a bedrock of every developing organization. So per se develop the and say training a year part and parcel of friends and fabric. And the training also no per se ma send the signal say sir we here about election see yeah to trust them because we have trained our men to as it were whether every friends occasion be a and answer so be na so be to trust them was obiana how I see battle that issue and I say yin if you want man I say yen and you have gone through a lot of friends training programs to say how to conduct arrest the different level of resistance and nipano or the amount and the force we exhibited how to graduate our force human rights elements and other things. Yeah, when you so you are mindful of human rights element. As Kofi Annan said, you will not enjoy security without development. You will not enjoy development without security, and you will not enjoy either of them without respect for human rights. And in here, you know, share human rights, and so can we say, be a yen or being so fun with this so. And so far so good. No, the training there to conscientize the public and our men say we are up to the task, and we are not going to leave any stone unturned. Yes, yeah, fire strategy no and trouble. But some over here training maybe and come back who say about their capacity. Point ever fast so they neutralize it. Even when it comes to shooting, when it comes to neutralizing potential threat, then how to even conduct threat assessment, other location threat assessment, for event threat assessment here. We have gone through all. And to say macho man be an disobey where men pay akasakasa bia, ye no motive fefe, ye pay showdown bia. And person baby used to be a dear baby as a commander and perform tomorrow. Am I away? Where a farmer, only one party, NPP, and yet where friends and multi party were party and tell themselves as your Kumba and to say to trust them as if on more. But nobody will know win it hands down peacefully. Say Bay and Campbell still probably win. Over say you still have friends, other people supporting you, so win it fairly. But so one said you can pass now dear to trust them with here a mass a for doing way out. What have you asked the crana? I'm for the Bufontina, a match until you went to almost say, conduct in a peaceful manner. Say, Bay, young son, your Juma Erin, your day.